How to get best Google Fi discount code. First things first, before you go ahead and make your very first purchase in Google Fi Wireless, we can go ahead and try to stretch down the price so you could also save on your end. Now, open up any preferred web browser and head to this website right here. That's going to be retailmenot.com. Now, from the search box, just simply type in Google Fi and choose on the very first result. So as you can see, there are multiple options for you to choose, whether it's going to be 120% off, 600% off, depending on your reference. Now, for you to be able to have the code, just simply click on Show Code and paste it on your payment field if you are already or if you have already chosen on the specific gadget from Google Fi. And that's basically it. It's how you find the best discount code or discount promo code in Google Fi.